Hey guys, how's it going? Today I got another video with a dive from Nubble Lighthouse up in Maine. Sorry I haven't been able to post in a while. I've just been real busy diving for Boston and moving out. So just had a really hectic schedule. I try to post once a week, usually on Mondays. But like I said, just been really busy. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe for more diving videos. Hoping to get into spearfishing by the end of the summer as well, and I got a couple commercial dives on the way. So again, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.
There were girls and boys, there were girls and girls, red heels on the table, in a champagne blur. It all gets kinda hazy when your heart's fucked up. We were emptying bottles, we were pushing our luck, and it turned into the longest night of our whole damn life. At the wildest times of hope, it all started with started with a broken heart. You wouldn't come home, so I stayed out, hoping I wouldn't see you. There's someone in the crowd, it's all kinda empty, so I filled it with rum. It was stupidly crazy, I was comfortably numb. It turned into the longest night of our whole damn life. At the wildest times of hope, it all started with girls on boys, girls on girls, red heels on the table, and I didn't care. It all gets kinda hazy when your heart's so cold. I got high to forget you, I got high real hard. It all gets kinda hazy when your heart's so cold. I got high to forget you, I got high real hard. It all started with a broken heart.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed the quick little edit I put together. If you're new, make sure to subscribe for more diving videos. I do a lot of spearfishing, just scuba diving, commercial diving, pretty much anything underwater as well. So I got a couple of videos, like I said, coming by probably in the next couple of weeks. A couple of inspections up in northern New Hampshire. Again, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hope you enjoyed.